How to buy BabyGrok token. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you found on my channel, please do your own research. Now, before going on by this token, make sure to check their X account and keep following their updates about this token. And don't forget to check their community too. As you can see, they have big members there. Now, as you can see, this token is available on the screener. It's released, as you can see, 1 day ago, and it increased by 2,000% in the last 24 hours. The market cap is $5.1 million. Now, to be able to buy this token, what you need to do is just click here to copy the token address and open a Bitget wallet for that. Now, go to your wallet from the top right corner. Click here and make sure to select the BNB chain network. Now after that, click on this plus icon and paste token as in search bar. As you can see, this also, but before going and add this token to your wallet, make sure to read that risk. And if you are ready to go, click on this plus icon to add it to your wallet. Now go back to your wallet and now click in the search icon and you can find and you can search it in the search bar. As you can see, you can type BabyGrok. As you can see, this is now click on it. Now after that, click here on swap. Make sure to switch from here. As you can see, now after that, from the top you can select the token that you want to buy with, for example, EZT, and now here you can type how much you want to buy, as you can see, and here you will be able to see how much you receive. Now after that, click here on swap and you will be able to buy this token on your wallet. So this is how to buy BabyGrok token. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.